Hi everyone, on today's segment we're going to make a roasted cauliflower with feta cheese and herbs. Thoroughly wash the cauliflower, remove the leaves, and also cut off enough of the stems so that it levels with the bottom of the head. This enables the cauliflower to stand upright on the baking sheet. Fill a pot up with water. Add a teaspoon of salt. Once the water comes to a full boil, submerge the cauliflower and allow it to cook for 10 minutes. While the cauliflower is cooking, line a baking sheet with either parchment paper or aluminum foil. After the 10-minute cook time, remove the cauliflower from the pot and place it on the baking sheet. Brush the cauliflower with olive oil. Season with garlic powder. Sprinkle with kosher salt or seasoned salt. Pop the cauliflower in a preheated 350-degree oven for 30 minutes. Chop and mince an assortment of herbs such as parsley and cilantro. You can use crumbled feta cheese from the supermarket or just cut off a slice from a block. In a bowl, add extra virgin olive oil, the minced herbs, and crumbled feta cheese. Combine the ingredients. Once you've removed the cauliflower from the oven, pour the mixture onto the cauliflower. The cauliflower goes back in the oven for 10 more minutes and voila! The recipe is low-cal, low-carb, satisfying, and filling. Thank you again for watching this segment. If you like what you saw, smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!